In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select on the left panel where it says accounts. And then over here on the right side, you just want to scroll down underneath account settings. And you want to select where it says sign in options. And then underneath ways to sign in, there should be an item that says password. Go ahead and select that. And then select the change button. You have to enter in your current password and then enter in your new password, confirm it, and then type in a hint. Select next to continue. And then once you restart your computer, the change should take effect. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.